Huziki particularly Article 3 adugi matangdu nebako. Suspended the operations of the following proviso. Sources of the proviso to Article 3 is related to the reference by the President to the legislatures of the state. Si suspend so aina adugi question do aina khumningi siko masiki president rule da masiki proviso si karigi hapino haibene I want to ask to the BJP karigi haiba proviso sida hairise masida yaurisi the bill has to be referred by the president to the concerned legislatures of the state to express its view. Adu sigumba integrity or akwegi leriba Article 3 the period increase of the area, diminution of the area, alteration of the boundary, alter the name of any state. Sigi views state logadabni haibne president na adu masi karigi haiba masigi Article 3 gi proviso si suspended elimination the yauri no haibasiti aiko sunga e masi yawun thokte president rule the masi yawun thokte and why and how this is put under suspended animation. So this question we are asking to the BJP and they should answer this question. Why this Article 3 the proviso of this under Article 3 is included in the suspended animation. We are also wonder why it was put.
Proviso is suspended to Manipur Myanmar Pakhaningai Boybra.
Yes, very much. Warandi Nasagi President rule say Thamba Haibasi Central Government na Thame. Makoigi view adagi Makoigi Ladiba political gi uncertainty to the president rule thame. Aduga Article 3 proviso dugi mayam singdo close mayam singdo karigi suspended tawrino haibasi masi akoidi pakhaningai oi aduga sarkar sida BJP lenga the question hangingai oi fallout the state the piba madugi view haibadi if in case it happens karigumba parliament da masai alteration diminish adagi alteration to kopasi state ki view logo da hai madu suspend to hai bne so aduna masidi yawon thukte president rule thambada why it is so Jammu and Kashmir da Article 3 yawe why Jammu Kashmir da president rule thambada da Article 3 yawe si proviso si yawe then why it is so in Manipur yes, Manipur da Jammu and Kashmir ki samana na sidai Article 3 proviso is yaw si karigino. We are not happy with this.